Number 1 says, what is the volume of the prism? So if we look here, we know that one way to find volume is length times width times height. So if I look at the length, going this way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The width is 3, and the height is 4. So now we need to multiply all of them. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 1. Plus 1 is 6. Therefore, the volume of this prism is 60 cubic units. Number 2 says, a doormat is 3 feet by 2.5 feet. What is the area of the doormat? So again, if I look at my whole number, I know that this is broken into 3 feet. In each of those feet, there's 2.5. So 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. So I add them all together. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. And then we have 1/2 left over. 6 plus 1 is 7 and a half. So the area of the doormat would be 7.5 feet squared. Number 3 says, this prism is made of unit cubes. Use volume equals area of base times height to find the volume of the cube. So first it wants the area of the base. So if I look at the base, the area is 3, 6, 9, 12 times the height, which is 3. 12 times 3 we know is 36. Therefore, the area of this prism is 36 cubic units. Number 4 says insert parentheses to make the equations true. So for A, we have 5 times 4 minus 2 equals 10. So if I put parentheses around the 5 times 4, that's 20. 20 minus 2 is 18, which means that is incorrect. So now, if I try putting my parentheses around 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Therefore, that is where the parentheses belong. For B, it says 8 minus 7 times 25 equals 25. So again, we can start by putting parentheses around 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 times 25 is 25. Therefore, that is correct. And for the last one, C, it says 36 divided by 6 minus 5 equals 36. So again, we can start by putting our parentheses around 36 divided by 6, which is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Therefore, that does not work. If we move on, we put our parentheses around 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 36 divided by 1 is 36. Therefore, that is where your parentheses belong. Number 5 says, what does the area of the base tell you about the number of cubes that fit into problem 3? So again, if you know the area of the base, you can figure how many cubes are in one layer. Then you can multiply that by the number of layers to get the volume, which again is the area of base times height. Make sure you write that in your own words on number 5 in your math journal.